Have you ever wondered about the most beautiful islands in the Mediterranean? Today, we're going on a virtual voyage of discovery to unveil the Mediterranean's top 10 most picturesque islands. We'll count down from number 10 to 1, showcasing each island's unique allure. You'll find yourself captivated by the diverse landscapes, cultures, and histories that these islands embody. The anticipation builds, doesn't it? What islands do you think will make the list? So buckle up, as we embark on a virtual journey to discover the top 10 most beautiful islands in the Mediterranean. Coming in at number 10, we have the enchanting island of Cyprus. A place where past and present seamlessly blend into one, Cyprus is a paradise for history buffs and beach lovers alike. Imagine strolling through the ancient ruins of Paphos, where Greek gods once walked, or exploring the breathtaking St. Hilarion Castle, a testament to the island's rich past. But Cyprus isn't just about history. It's also about soaking up the sun on some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. Picture yourself on the golden sands of Nisi Beach, the azure sea gently lapping at your feet, and let's not forget the cuisine. Cypriot food is a delightful blend of Greek and Turkish influences. Imagine tucking into a meze platter teeming with halloumi, souvlaki, and other mouth-watering delicacies. From its captivating history to its stunning landscapes and delectable cuisine, Cyprus offers an unforgettable experience. Indeed, Cyprus is a gem that shines brightly in the Mediterranean. At number 9, we land on the shores of Sardinia. This Italian island is a wonderland of diverse landscapes, from rugged mountains and dense forests to white sandy beaches and turquoise seas. It's a place where the wild and the beautiful coexist harmoniously, creating a unique charm that's hard to resist. Sardinia's rich history is another thing that sets it apart. With a timeline that stretches back to the Bronze Age, the island is peppered with ancient nuraghi stone structures, remnants of the mysterious Nuragic civilization. You can't help but be captivated by these prehistoric stone towers, a testament to the island's intriguing past. But it's not just about the past. Sardinia's vibrant culture is very much alive and kicking. The island's folk traditions, colorful festivals, and delectable cuisine make it a living, breathing celebration of Italian life. And let's not forget the people. Warm, welcoming, and proud of their island's heritage, they are the heart and soul of Sardinia. Sardinia, a place where beauty meets tradition. Number 8 takes us to the party capital of the world, Ibiza. Known for its electric nightlife, Ibiza is where the globe's top DJs convene to set the dance floors on fire. But it's not all about the parties. Ibiza is also home to some of the most stunning beaches in the Mediterranean. Crystal clear waters meet pristine sands, making it a sunbather's paradise. But there's more to this island than meets the eye. Ibiza's old town, Dalt Vila, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, brimming with history and culture. Wander through its narrow, winding streets and you'll find yourself stepping back in time, surrounded by Gothic architecture, ancient stone walls, and panoramic views that will take your breath away. Whether you're a party animal, a beach bum, or a history buff, Ibiza has something for everyone. So pack your bags and let's hit the dance floor. Ibiza, where the party never ends. Coming in at number 7 is the largest island in the Mediterranean, Sicily. A true gem, Sicily is a treasure trove of history, culture, and culinary delights. Picture this: ancient Greek temples standing tall against the Sicilian sky, Roman villas boasting intricate mosaics, and Baroque churches that whisper tales of bygone eras. Sicily's history is as rich as its soil, with influences from the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans, all leaving their indelible marks on the landscape and culture. This melting pot of civilizations has resulted in a unique architectural style that's truly Sicilian. And let's not forget Sicilian cuisine, a gastronomic delight that's the envy of the culinary world. From the deep-fried arancini balls to the sweet cannoli, every bite is a testament to Sicily's love for good food. Sicily, an island that enthralls and captivates. A place where history, architecture, and food come together to create a symphony for the senses. At number 6, we arrive at the stunning island of Mallorca. Embracing the Mediterranean Sea with its sun-kissed shores, Mallorca is a treasure trove of natural beauty. The island's pristine beaches are a sight to behold, their golden sands and azure waters creating a picture-perfect landscape that's nothing short of paradise. But Mallorca isn't just about beaches. Venture inland, and you'll find the Serra de Tramontana mountain range, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's a testament to the island's scenic diversity. These majestic peaks offer breathtaking views and an adventurous escape for hiking enthusiasts. The island also boasts a rich tapestry of history, with its Gothic cathedrals, medieval castles, and charming old towns. Palma, the capital, is a vibrant city where the modern and the ancient coexist in harmony, offering a delightful blend of culture, history, and entertainment. So whether it's for the sun, the sand, the peaks, or the past, Mallorca beckons with its unique allure. Mallorca, a paradise on earth. We've reached the halfway point, and at number 5 is the postcard-perfect island of Santorini. Now when you think of a quintessential Greek island, what comes to mind? The answer, most likely, is Santorini. This island is famous for its iconic blue-domed buildings that stand out against the shimmering Aegean Sea. They dot the landscape like jewels, creating one of the most recognizable skylines in the world. But Santorini is more than just its blue-domed buildings. This island is also home to some of the most breathtaking sunsets you'll ever witness. As the sun dips below the horizon, it paints the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple, creating a spectacle that is truly a feast for the eyes. Equally impressive are Santorini's unique volcanic beaches. With sands ranging from black to red, these beaches are a testament to the island's fiery past, and offer a unique beach experience that you won't find anywhere else. Santorini, where every view is a postcard. At number 4, we explore the diverse landscapes of Corsica. This French island is a vibrant mix of Mediterranean flair and rugged wilderness, a perfect blend of sun-kissed beaches and towering mountains. Corsica's mountains, known as the Mountains in the Sea, offer a breathtaking spectacle, with their jagged peaks and verdant forests. They are a paradise for hikers, providing panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Down at the coast, the island presents a different kind of beauty. Turquoise waters lap against golden sandy beaches and dramatic rocky coves, providing a paradise for sun-seekers and water sports enthusiasts alike. But Corsica is not just about natural beauty, it's also steeped in history and culture. The island is dotted with ancient fortresses, hilltop villages, and vibrant cities where the local culture and cuisine come to life. Corsica, an island of breathtaking contrasts. It's a place where every turn in the road presents a new and enchanting scene. Crete, the cradle of Minoan civilization, comes in at number 3. This sun-drenched island is a time capsule preserving the echoes of Europe's oldest recorded civilization. As you traverse its rugged terrain, you'll stumble upon ancient ruins, remnants of the Minoan civilization. These fragments of the past tell a story of a society that thrived over 4,000 years ago. But Crete is not just a relic of the past, it is a vibrant, living island, home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. Picture a coastline adorned with stretches of powdery white sand, met by the crystal-clear azure waters. It's a paradise for sun-seekers and water sports enthusiasts alike. And let's not forget the cuisine. Crete's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of traditional Greek fare and unique Cretan twists. From succulent lamb dishes to the freshest seafood, every meal is a celebration of flavors. Crete, where history and beauty intertwine. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the glamorous island of Mykonos. Known as the Jewel of the Aegean, Mykonos is where the energy of the night meets the tranquility of the day. The island's vibrant nightlife is legendary, a pulsating rhythm that beckons partygoers from around the globe. From trendy bars to world-class nightclubs, Mykonos is a haven for those who love to dance under the starlit sky. But Mykonos isn't just about the night. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. Picture this: golden sands, clear turquoise waters, and the sun kissing your skin. And let's not forget the iconic windmills of Mykonos. Standing tall against the azure backdrop, these windmills are a testament to the island's rich history, adding a touch of nostalgia to the modern vibrancy. Mykonos, where the fun meets the sun. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. The most beautiful island in the Mediterranean is Capri. Breathtaking, enchanting, and absolutely magical, Capri is the epitome of Mediterranean beauty. The island is famed for its dramatic cliffs that plunge into the sapphire blue sea, creating a sight so stunning it seems almost otherworldly. But Capri's allure doesn't stop at its natural beauty. Underneath the radiant sun, the crystal-clear waters of Capri sparkle like 1,000 diamonds, inviting you to take a refreshing dip, or perhaps embark on a thrilling boat ride around the island. And let's not forget about the chic boutiques that line the streets of Capri town. Here you'll find an array of high-end shops offering everything from exquisite Italian leather goods to handmade ceramics and local delicacies. Whether you're a nature lover, a shopping enthusiast, or simply a seeker of beauty and serenity, Capri has something to offer. Capri, the jewel of the Mediterranean. And there you have it, the top 10 most beautiful islands in the Mediterranean. From the exciting nightlife of Ibiza, to the historic ruins of Cyprus, the serenity of Sardinia, to the charming villages of Capri, there's a Mediterranean island that's just perfect for anyone's taste. Whether you're a history buff, a party animal, or a nature lover, these islands offer a little something for everyone. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Until next time, keep exploring.